everyone, welcome to Hannah Speaks. So today we are going to be preparing coconut rice. So this is our main ingredient. This is our coconut milk. I made it myself. It's fresh. I got the coconut from the market. I grated it, then I blended it, then I extracted the milk. So this is onion. These are all the ingredients we are going to be using. These are our onions, these are our carrots, these are our vegetable oil, this is our curry, this is our stock. Depends on the kind of meat you want to use to prepare it. I use chicken, so this is my chicken stock. This is salt, this coconut seasoning powder, this is my seasoning powder, this is our garlic, this is tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper and bell pepper already blended, and this is our parboiled rice. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by adding my vegetable oil. I don't have coconut oil, so this is vegetable oil. Then I'm going to add onions, if you want to make your coconut rice, you must not necessarily make your milk yourself. You can get the tin ones in the market. There's even the powdered one. They sell the powdered one in the market. But I prefer using fresh one, fresh milk. That's why I made it myself. But it takes time because you have to grate first before blending. So you fry your onion for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'll be adding my garlic just to give me that flavor. Next, we'll be adding our tomato, blended tomato and pepper. I'm going to stir fry for like 3 minutes. So I'll be adding my curry, coconut seasoning powder, seasoning powder, and salt. Add everything together and stir to combine. I'm already getting that coconut flavor because I added the coconut spice. You can get it in the market too. Now stir to combine. So next, we'll be adding our stock. This is my stock. This is my stock. Next, I'll be adding our main ingredients, our coconut milk. And we'll cover our pot. We'll cover our pot and allow it to simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, time to add our rice. rice is already parboiled though. So it depends on the kind of rice you're using. So we'll close it and allow it to simmer for like 20 minutes, and we'll come back and check on it. Don't forget to reduce your heat. Make sure you reduce it to medium heat. The aroma is nice. Oh, I wish you can perceive this. So, you know I told you I like vegetables, so I'm going to be adding carrots to this. I'm going to be adding my carrots. Our rice is almost ready. Wow, this is nice. Let me add my bell peppers to make it colorful. Bell peppers are also nutritious. I love them. If you notice, you see them in my videos. I usually use it to cook. Our rice is ready. I don't like my carrots to be too soft. Okay, our coconut rice is ready. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And please, if you have any suggestion, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. And sorry, I forgot to tell you that I grilled my chicken. My husband likes grilled chicken, so I decided to grill chicken. So in our next video, I'll be teaching you how to grill your chicken. I'll show you the next process. I think I'll be tasting my rice now. This is so yummy. You need to try this recipe. Try this recipe, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you.